Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to zoom in and out in Figma. Whether you're working on detailed designs or trying to get a bird's eye view of your entire project, knowing multiple ways to control your zoom will make your workflow much smoother and more efficient. First, open your Figma application and navigate to the project where you want to zoom in and out. Once you have your design file open, you'll notice that Figma actually gives you several different methods to control your zoom level, so you can choose whichever feels most natural for your working style. The first and probably most common method is using your keyboard and mouse together. Simply hold down the control key on your keyboard and scroll down or up on your mouse wheel. Scrolling up will zoom you in closer to your design, while scrolling down will zoom you out for a wider view. Alternatively, if you prefer using just your keyboard, you can hold the control key and press the plus icon to zoom in or the minus icon to zoom out. This gives you precise control without needing to touch your mouse at all. The second way to zoom is a bit more interactive and great for quickly focusing on specific areas. Hold down the Z key on your keyboard and then click and drag anywhere on your Figma canvas. You'll see a zoom box appear that lets you define exactly what area you want to zoom into. This method is particularly useful when you need to inspect a specific part of your design in detail without having to zoom in and pan around manually. The last way to control your zoom is through Figma's built-in zoom menu. Look at the top right corner of your screen and you'll see a drop-down menu displaying a percentage. This shows your current zoom level. Click on this drop-down and you'll find several preset options, including zoom in, zoom out, zoom to fit, zoom to 50%, and many more percentage options. The zoom to fit option is especially handy as it automatically adjusts your view to show your entire design on screen, which is perfect when you need to see everything at once. And that's it. You now have 3 different ways to zoom in and out in Figma. You can use keyboard shortcuts with your mouse, the Z key drag method, or the percentage drop-down menu at the top. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.